Opossums are an animal full of surprises and have many unique facts. One of their most amazing abilities is to play dead when threatened, known as thanatosis. They will fall to the ground, mouth open, tongue out, and emit the foul odor of a dead animal, all to avoid predators. In addition, opossums are one of the most immune mammals to venomous snakes, such as rattlesnakes. Not only that, but they also act as natural sanitizers, as they eat thousands of ticks every week, helping to reduce the spread of diseases such as Lyme disease. Opossums are the only marsupials that live in North America, and their females have pouches where their babies develop after birth. Although often thought of as scavengers, opossums are ecologically important and highly adapted to their surroundings.